We are in Ikea. We bought for $5. The price is 320 rubles. And for this money, we ordered this. It is something vegetarian. I don't know what is it. Meatballs, potatoes, and 2 cups of tea. If you have Ikea family card, you may order this card for free. In 10 minutes it will be ready. And if you have this card, all this is for free. So you may have black or green tea, sugar, milk, and so spices are also free. If you do not have family card, then you must pay 49 rubles for 1 cup of tea. And milk will be 3 rubles per 1 small bottle. So we paid 320 rubles, about $5 for all this. That is happy Alex. He's going to have lunch finally. Bon appetit. As you may see, not many people now, because at 10 o'clock the restaurant will be closed. And now the final eaters here. Alex is enjoying his tea. I also. Today is Sunday. A lot of people here. You always ask me, where are people? Here are they, shopping at night. You see, over there is the playground for kids. As you may see, a lot of kids now. Though it is almost 10 o'clock, maybe the beginning of the next hour, but still there are a lot of people. That is pasta with cheese, 149 rubles, and meatballs, 10 meatballs, and also Alex got 3 boiled potatoes. So the price is 169 rubles. And that is tea, горячий напиток. We got two tea, so they put 2, and here got the discount too. So the final price is 318 rubles. That is the final price. You must not leave tips here. The usual price for tea is 49 rubles. So if you buy 2, that will be about 100 rubles. And we also got 6 small bottles of milk. Each bottle is 3 rubles. So 6 bottles, that is 18 rubles. So 118 rubles, the discount, so almost 50%. We came rather late today. That is why we decided to go first of all to the restaurant to have supper, and now we go shopping because at 10 o'clock the restaurant will be closed. Here you must put the dirty spoons, the dirty plates. Here we have a microwave. You may put bottles of milk or food for children, for little kids here, and warm. It is for free. A big shopping mall, you see. Ikea. That is for kids, for small kids. This Ikea closes at 2 o'clock at night. We usually should come here in the evening, late in the evening, because not many people here. You see the decoration for the new year everywhere. From time to time I see foreigners here, so this shop is very popular with foreigners. A rather funny fir tree. You see? Rather expensive. $10. So we like this chair. We decided to buy 3 such chairs. That is the number of row and the place. So we must go to row number 19 and find the place 17. All this is at the storage. Black. This color is rather depressive. I don't like it. Черный, Леша, очень мрачный. Но он дорого, Леш, стоит почти 2500.
Ну да. 2500 он стоит, вот 1700 просто стоит.
Но это другой цвет. Ну тут написано 2300. Alex liked this chair, but in another color it was 1000 rubles more cheaper. So Alex said that it is too much to pay extra money. Yeah. So for 3 small chairs, about 7000 rubles, so more than $100. Rather expensive. So what is here? Also very dark, I think, and very depressing. Especially now we have not many sunny days. All the interior in our rooms must be light, because we do not have a lot of sunlight, so, and the dark furniture. But when everything is white, I also do not like it. Too much white here. Rather tired already. Did not want to make video, but then decided to film a small video for you. Now many people are going shopping because Christmas holidays, New Year holidays soon, 2 weeks before holidays. So that is why people go to buy gifts for their parents, for their relatives, for their friends, for kids. Here usually in Ikea you may find a lot of pregnant women. They also buy a lot of furniture for nursery. What I do not like in Ikea, you must walk through the whole shop, and sometimes it takes, well, 30 minutes. It is too long. If you want just to find one item, you must go through the whole store. Oh, that is very tiresome for me. I don't know, maybe some people like this, but for me it is very, very tiresome because it takes too much time to go from one end of Ikea to the other. All for kids here. You see? When Alex was born, about 16 years ago, we could not buy such things. Now a lot of furniture for kids. We could only dream about this. Now you must only have money. Yeah, Alex? Я говорю, что сейчас можно купить все, что хочешь для деток. Look how many toys. The restaurant closes at 11 o'clock. I did not tell you the truth. I thought it is up 10 o'clock, so it opens at 9 and closes at 11. That is great. So bistro till 2 o'clock at night, and you may pay with Visa, MasterCard, that is family card Ikea, but you can't pay with it. So the prices for this dish.